Guys, in this video we will see how to find my laptop serial number. If you want to show or view your laptop serial number, here are the process, and the simplest process is through command prompt windows. Go to Windows search and type cmd and open command prompt windows, run as administrator mode. Command prompt windows will now open as administrator mode. Here execute the command as shown on screen. wmic BIOS get serial number and keep same a space in command prompt windows. This command path will also available in my video's description box. You may copy from there. Simply copy it and paste it in command prompt windows and press enter. After pressing enter, you can see your computer or your laptop serial number. You will see easily your laptop serial number through command prompt windows in your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.